Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and I am here with Cindy from Core Health, and we are super excited to talk about our upcoming workshop, the Knowledge Gap Workshop. So it's about how to live a healthy lifestyle in a toxic world. So Cindy, there's a lot of toxins that we could see, that we could feel, and even smell. But I know there's also some toxins that we cannot hear, see, or smell. So I know sometimes we refer them to as invisible toxins.
Yeah, a lot of people know about EMF, but some people don't. They're just not familiar with electromagnetic fields or even radiation that's in the air. And with numerous amounts of cell towers that are going up, and all types of routers and Wi-Fi, and even in my building, we have several offices, and so we have several Wi-Fi devices, and so you're just always exposed.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you can't block EMF. It's not possible to do that. So we want to work to figure out how to minimize your exposure to it, and so we can talk about how that can manifest physically, emotionally. Toxins can have many different ways in which they manifest. So we'll go through some of that in the workshop, and hope you guys can join us. We're going to have a lot of fun, but also be very informative, and it'll be very educational. So hope to see you soon.